everyone, Miss Hopkins here, and today I am going to teach you some phonics. We are going to be learning a new sound with some new green words and some nonsense words that just doesn't make any sense. Today we are going to be learning a special friend sound, and that special friend sound today is O. 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 Below the snow. O. Below the snow. Below the snow. O. And it looks like this. Remember, our special friends are two letters that make one sound. Two letters that make one sound. Special friends. Special friends. O. 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 Below the snow. Going to have a little game. When you see this side, I want you to say below the snow. But when you see this side, I want you to say O. Are you ready? Well done. O. Below the snow. Now, I am going to hide our special friend sound, O, and you have to point to it when you see it. But there are going to be some sounds in the way, so what I would like you to do is to say the sounds as well. Are you ready? R. E. U. O. And again. R. E. O. And again. U. R. E. O. Well done. Special friend.